How to restore deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restore your deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your settings. Now you will need to make sure that your iCloud is backed up. So go to your settings first, tap on your Apple ID. After you do that, you will need to scroll down and you will see iCloud. Tap on it. Now here, as you can see, my storage is full. Make sure that this is not the case for you. Just make sure that your iCloud is backed up and it's up to date. And just check the dates too. After you've done that, go to your WhatsApp. And now you'll need to uninstall your WhatsApp. Now I will not uninstall my WhatsApp because as you can see earlier, my iCloud is not backed up. So I might lose my messages. So just remove the app, confirm removing the app, then go to your app store and then search for WhatsApp. After doing so, reinstall your WhatsApp. And after you reinstall your WhatsApp, open it up and set it up. Now, while you set that up, you will get an option that says restore your WhatsApp backup. And after you tap on restore WhatsApp backup, it will start recovering your deleted messages as it was stored in the backup. And yeah, that is basically how you restore deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. And that is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.